My name is Awel Mahambani. I'm here at ZP Company. I did brought laptop. When I brought it, it was in a bad condition. But now, because of ZP Company, it's new again. So therefore, I can recommend other customers who has these gadgets, which in a state of decay, can bring it at a ZP Company because their services are good. I also brought a Samsung TV, which was dead, but now the TV is functioning well. So therefore, I rate them the best services in the world. Anyone who's got the challenges can bring his or a gadget at ZP Company. I thank you.